Hello everyone, this is Jakaria welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about bank for Tier 4 student visa. How much money do you need to show on your bank account to apply for UK student visa? Hope this video will help you a bit. If it does, please give me a thumbs up at some point of my video. I'll really appreciate it. Without any further ado, let's go into the details. First of all, you have to show 9-month living expense in your bank account. If your university is in London, then it will be like £1,265 per month living expense. Multiply by 9, it will be like around £11,400. But if your university is in outside of London, then it will be like £1,015 per month. Multiply by 9, it will be like around £9,200, because living expense is a little bit high in London compared to outside of London. Secondly, you have to show your leftover tuition fees in your bank account. For example, your tuition fees is like £10,000 per year, and you pay a partial amount of money like £4,000 to your university to get the cost letter. So you have £6,000 left. Those amount of money you need to show in your bank account on top of your 9-month living expense. And you have to sum up your living expense and your leftover tuition fees and convert it to your country currencies and then deposit in your bank account. It will be better if you have your own current account and deposit the money in your account. Otherwise, you can show your parents' account as well, but it have to be like joint account, and they have to show your birth certificate, or if you are adopted, then they have to show your adoption certificate as well, and they have to have a notified letter as well where it shows you can withdraw the money anytime when you need. It will be like a little bit hassle, so I can suggest you to open your own bank account and deposit the money in your account. When you have your cost letter, please double check, because it shows all the information you need: your per month living cost, your leftover tuition fees, etc. Try to put some extra money in your bank account as well, because currency is always fluctuating, going up and down. So when they convert your money to British pound, if it's less than the expected amount, then your visa going to be refused for sure. So for the safe side, put some extra money in your account. When they convert the money to British pound, if it's meet the expected amount, then you're gonna get the visa for sure. When you open a bank account, check the UKBI list, because some countries they have a restriction. They gave a list of bank name, so you have to choose the bank from the list. If you open a bank account and start deposit money in your account and didn't check the UKBI list, later you realize your bank is not in the UKBI list, then you're not gonna get the cost letter and you're not gonna get the visa. It's happened to one of my relative as well, because when he opened the bank account, he didn't check the UKBI list and he start deposit money to his account. Later when he submit his bank statement to the university didn't accept it, and they didn't give him the cost letter because his bank wasn't on the list, UKBI list. So always double check the UKBI list before you open the bank account. Otherwise it's going to be like waste of money, and you have to do it from the beginning, because you're not gonna get the cost letter and you're not gonna get the visa for sure. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel if you are new here, and share this video on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere. It will help others. If you have any friend or family member who is planning to come in UK for study, please share this video with them. If you have any question, please leave your question on the comment box below. I'll get back to you for sure. You can ask me the question on social media like Facebook or Instagram. I'm gonna put my Facebook and Instagram link on the description below. You can find me very easily. Thank you so much. Thank you all.